Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming every aspect of our lives, including art. AI-based art has been gaining popularity in recent years, and its creative possibilities are endless. AI can be used to create art, analyze art, and enhance the creative process. However, as with any technology, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. In this essay, we will explore the creative possibilities and challenges of AI in art. AI and art creation. AI can be used to create art in several ways. 1. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. GANs are a type of AI that can create images and videos that resemble those made by humans. GANs consist of two neural networks, one that creates images and the other that evaluates them. The two networks compete with each other, and the result is an image that is both original and realistic. 2. Style transfer. Style transfer is an AI technique that can apply the style of one image to another. For example, a photograph can be made to look like a painting by transferring the style of a famous painting onto the photograph. 3. Creative assistance. AI can be used to assist artists in their creative process. For example, an AI algorithm can generate variations of a particular image or suggest color palettes based on an artist's previous works. AI and art analysis. AI can also be used to analyze art in several ways. 1. Art restoration. AI can be used to restore damaged art pieces. For example, AI algorithms can reconstruct missing parts of a painting or remove cracks and discolorations. 2. Art recognition. AI can be used to recognize the style of a particular artist or the genre of a particular painting. For example, an AI algorithm can identify the work of a particular artist by analyzing their brushstrokes and color choices. 3. Art recommendation. AI can be used to recommend art to people based on their preferences. For example, an AI algorithm can recommend paintings to a user based on their previous likes and dislikes. Challenges of AI in art. Despite its creative possibilities, AI in art also presents several challenges. 1. Originality. One of the main challenges of AI in art is maintaining originality. While AI-generated art can be highly realistic and aesthetically pleasing, it may lack the emotional depth and originality of human-made art. 2. Ethics. AI-generated art raises several ethical concerns, such as the ownership and copyright of the work. For example, who owns the copyright of an AI-generated painting? The artist who programmed the algorithm or the machine that generated the painting? 3. Bias. AI algorithms can be biased, which can lead to discriminatory or offensive content. For example, an AI algorithm that generates portraits may favor lighter skin tones over darker ones, leading to biased representations of people of color. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI in art has the potential to revolutionize the art world by creating new possibilities for artists and art enthusiasts alike. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed, such as originality, ethics, and bias. As with any technology, it is important to approach AI in art with caution and to balance its creative possibilities with its potential challenges.